So if you've been keeping up with the episodes I've done, this F11 frame isn't going to work. There were issues with it. We're moving forward. The episode you need to see for that info is right here. This is a frame we're going to use. It's the GS550 frame I had initially earmarked for an electric bike project. Life stuff got in the way. I had it earmarked for the Ford V6 trike project, which, as far as I know, is still going to happen. It just won't be with this frame. I'll get a different frame for that because I'm doing the double engine bike now. So that's what this is going to be for, because I've got the title for this. It's in my name. I've got a license plate with tabs on it. So we're going to move forward with this bike. I'll put the link to Adventure Rider build thread down in the description too. But this is a frame I'm going to use. I'm still probably going to make it a hardtail due to the fact that the swing arm on this is kind of shot, and the chain geometry with the two engines, the way I'm going to do it. I just kind of laid this fender in there. It's actually the fender that goes back here. I just rotated it forward like a fender hugger type thing, so I think I can probably use that. The seat, this rear thing, like everything from here back is probably going to get removed just so I can build a custom seat for it or whatever. It looks like up here, if I cut in here somewhere, it should be very easy to lengthen. You know, the bottom, both these frame rails are straight, so I can just extend that out. That'll be no big deal to extend. So, I might rake it a little bit, but there's a lot going on up in this neck to be doing that. And as far as I know, it handles all right with the geometry it's got. So I think it'll actually be less work to do this versus that one. I'm not going to dwell on this too long because I can't use it anyway. But you can see there's like a jog in the frame there, and it would have been difficult to modify on the bottom. The top would have been really easy. But again, not going to dwell on it. Can't use it anyway. We're moving ahead. This is the frame we're going to use. Other benefits of using this frame: I've got the speedometer and the drive cable and everything for it. It all works. Disc brakes front and rear. Not that this thing's going to be a speed demon, but also parts for this are way easier to find than the parts for this F11. Like, I found brake shoes for it, but like that seal was really difficult to find, and I'm not even sure I found the right one for it. I don't have a speedometer drive cable for it. I don't know if the speedometer works, that sort of thing. So there's a lot of questionable parts on this that are hard to find. Versus this is easy to find parts for, frame parts and stuff. So that's the plan. We're going to keep going. The engines should be here anytime in the next week or two, I would think. So make sure you subscribe. I'll keep adding to the playlist and show you progress as it happens. Thanks for watching.